Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how you can buy the cryptocurrency VeChain with your credit card. Now I have like 2,000 euros in VeChain at the moment, and I think the project has a lot of potential. That is just my personal opinion. I don't know, but you're probably here because you want to buy VeChain. So let's just get started. First of all, you need to go to Binance.com. If you are from the US, you should go to Binance.us and you'll have to make an account on Binance. You have to be over 18. If you're not 18, find an adult who does it for you. Otherwise, I don't know, just find somebody who can send you crypto directly to your wallet and then you can just give him the cash or so. So you do have to be 18. You can register on Binance.com and it shouldn't take longer than like 10 minutes or so. Then here we are on the homepage of Binance, and what we want to do is we want to go here to buy crypto, and then we have numerous options here. Now we want to use our credit card to buy our crypto, and now the page is loading and we will see an interface where normally this page takes quite a while to load. I don't really know why, but it's always like this. Doesn't really matter. Then we will see here this interface where we put in the amount that we want to buy the crypto for. Yeah, so I have everything set to euros. You can change the currency here that you want to pay with. As I said, if you're from the US, you should go to Binance.us and you can put in dollars here. Obviously, I can also put in dollars, but I have everything set in euros because I'm from Germany. I like having everything, calculated in euros. And let's say you want to just put in 200 euros. That's like, I don't know, like $220, something like this. I hope I'm not horribly wrong right now, but it should be something like this. And then, here you can select the coin and then you can just buy it with your credit card. So right now we want to select VeChain. So you can just search in VeChain. You would also find just by scrolling down. VET is the little short form, the little shortcut for VeChain. And then you just select VeChain. And then you put in your credit card details and you can buy it with your credit card. If you don't want to use your credit card, you can also buy crypto using a normal bank transfer. And I made a video about this. I'll put the link into the description. If you don't want to use your credit card, or if you don't have a credit card, I don't know, if you just want to use a normal bank transfer, that's also possible. The big advantage with the bank transfer is that it's a bit cheaper. With the credit card, you have a 1.7% transaction fee for Binance. With the bank transfer, you don't have this unless your bank charges you. Mine doesn't. So keep this in mind. And then you just hit buy VeChain. I'm not going to do this right now because, as I said, I'm already invested, and I'm just here to show you. So basically, then you pay with your credit card and you get 973 or whatever the cost will be in the future. VeChain for this price. And where will you find your crypto then? You'll find it in your wallet. You can just hit fiat and spot. By the way, guys, it should take like a couple of minutes and then the crypto will be in your wallet. Sometimes it can take like 10 minutes or so. If you haven't heard anything from them after 2 hours, then you can start worrying. But for me, it has always been there within like 5 minutes or so. And then how do we want to proceed right now? We want to go to our Trustwallet on our phone. If you haven't downloaded Trustwallet yet, then I'll put the link into the description as well. And it's basically a wallet where we can store all of our coins and tokens, So the question is, why can we not just leave our cryptocurrency on Binance? Well, because it is a lot unsafer than having it actually in your wallet, even if it's just on your phone. Because Binance is just a marketplace where people buy and sell crypto, and it is subject to hackers a bit more than normal wallets. So it's a lot unsafer actually to keep your crypto on Binance. I don't recommend you to do this. I know some people who do this. I would not do this. Just have it on your Trust Wallet and then you're a lot better off. We go to our Trust Wallet and we see all the coins and tokens there, and we click on the one that we want to withdraw. If the coin or token that you want to withdraw is not listed here, then you want to click in the top right corner, and there you can search in for new coins and tokens, and then you can add them to your wallet. And then basically what you want to do is you want to click on the one, like VeChain in this case, and we want to hit receive. And then we get this little barcode and the little address down there, and this is what we will need. So right here we can also search in VeChain Here we have it, VeChain. And then what we want to do is we want to click withdraw, because we're going to withdraw it from Binance to our Trust wallet. Yeah. Make sure crypto is selected, VeChain is selected. And this is now here where you have to paste in the VeChain address. You can just copy it, send it to yourself. You paste it in. The transfer network is VeChain, only one available for this cryptocurrency. You literally just paste it in, and then you hit max or however much you want to withdraw. And then basically you hit submit, and it will transfer the entire value of your Binance wallet to your Trust wallet. And after some minutes, you will find all your VeChain in your Trust wallet. And yes, of course, you'll pay a bit of transaction fees. For VeChain, it's fairly high, the transaction fee. For like smaller coins and tokens, it's a lot cheaper. So yeah, if you want to see some other cryptocurrencies that you can buy, then check out some of the other videos that I did. But yeah, basically this is how you buy VeChain with your credit card. Yeah, I really hope you learned something today in this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more crypto videos in the future. I also launched a Patreon account, so if you want to support me there, it would mean the world to me. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.